So what's up guys, today we're going to be doing our fireworks stash. Happy 4th of July. This is my favorite holiday. Before we start showing it, we're going to be doing the highlights and credits. The credits are a good old friend, Chelsea. She helped us get some of these fireworks, and also my grandparents, Grandpa Dean and Grandma Tara, helped us a lot. I'm so thankful, and now on with the highlights. The highlights are this Legend Jumbo Rocket Pack, these Echo in the Ear Shells, Buzzard's Roost, and the Zebra Firecrackers. Okay, so now that we're done with the highlights, let's do the actual thing. Up here, we have a ton of punks, like 6 of them. Pretty nice. Way up there, we have some assorted firecrackers. We have Husky, Phoenix, and Big Buck. They are really cool, and I checked them, they actually have pretty big firecrackers. Next to them, we have 2 boxes of little dynamites and Navy SEAL firecrackers. Right next to them is just an assorted little stuff like ground blooms, crackling balls, tiny fountains, poppets, little stuff from the old assortment. Okay, so next over there we have a brick of ground bloom flowers. It comes with like 15 packs. It's really cool. Also, right next to it, they have Black Cat like confetti things. They like shoot out confetti. It's really cool. They're like my favorite fireworks. So, again, back to those assorted firecrackers. Above them, they have some exploding ground bloom flowers right there. And we have a Poopy Puppy, which is really cool and funny. Yeah, I find that one hilarious, so we had to get that. Right near are some bees. Those are fun. They make like a cool noise when you light them. Next to them are some jumbo jumping jacks right there. I think they're pretty cool personally. Some people don't like them. Next to them are some TNT party poppers. Now it's going to start going on a little bit bigger after we get finished with this side. So over here we have some snakes. Some Mighty Cobra snakes, colored snakes. Next to them, we have some Apache 2. Those are they're really cool, and I find them really loud. They're like pretty awesome. Next to them, we have 4 boxes. Yeah, 4 boxes of smoke bombs. 3 boxed, and one of them is in like a blister pack. Right above it, we have Mammoth Pink Smoke and some Super Smoke. One by Great Grizzly, one by Shogun. Next to it are some little crackling balls, normal ones. I find those pretty cool. These things are awesome. They're like really fun to light and like make a cool noise. Zing. They go like zzz, and like they go really high up. They're really cool. Okay, so now like the last couple things, so we start going into like fountains and stuff, are these tanks. We have 4 with report and 2 without. Now, a couple more things, and we're going to move on to the big ones. We have over here some magic whips. Now if you open it up, as you can see, it has some like things in there. They're like mini firecrackers. Above the jumping jacks, right here, are some poker chips. I think those are pretty fun. Like, they look cool. And, yeah. They have flying diamonds. Those are just like magic crystals. Above those, they have some daytime parachutes. I really like those. And something that I find really fascinating are these jumbo crackling balls. These are like, people love these a lot, and I understand why. So yeah. Now, some of my favorite things are sparklers. First we have normal. Then you have fluorescent. And some extra long. Also, under this we have a ton of zebra firecrackers. 20 packs of 100. We've already did a couple. Now, going on to the Roman candles, we have some mini Roman candles way up in the front, right above that little miscellaneous combo pack right there. Getting a little bigger, we have some Roman candles with report. Those ones are with report too. And I love report a lot, so our other ones are also Roman candles with report. Okay, so also next to those are Saturn missiles and Piccolo Petes. I really like them. They make a really cool noise, kind of sounds like a burnout a little bit. The Saturn missiles also are like bottle rockets almost, like they're really cool. And well, I'm gonna move on to the fountains, I think. So yeah, they're like really big, and some of these are like big and fun. So these 100 dancing butterflies are really cool. And this unicorn, I love the unicorn. This jade flower, I think it looks pretty, so yeah. This one reminded me of another firework that I don't remember, called Whistle. Like it's a whistling, I can't read that. Whistling colored cuckoo, I think. Yeah, hard to read upside down. Friendship fountain, Killer Bee, and Purple Rain. I think all of those are good fountains that I recommend. Over here is something that I got from my friend's mom, Climbing Panda. And also a small cake, starting to get onto a little bit of bigger stuff, is the Color Pearl. And I like Color Pearl because they're kind of like mini Roman candle shots. I find this pretty cool. A really small cake that people love is X Factor. It was only $5, but we got it thrown in for free. Now that was awesome. Okay, so getting into a little bit bigger is the Mighty Cobra. I like Mighty Cobra. It has like little crackling effect. The God's Country, it's another nice one. Our other cakes are Special, Riding Dirty, the Throw-In. Now getting on to the big ones, but first we have this high risk assortment. It has some bottle rockets, some firecrackers, some fountains, and some lightning flash. I think that's a pretty good assortment. And it contains a free poster, which I always wanted a Black Cat poster, so that's like my dream come true. Okay, crazy exciting, and now we're going on to the bigger stuff. I think it's time to start the mortars. So our smallest mortars, I think, are these, the bomber mortars. Getting a little bit bigger are these, which are the crackling ones. These, I don't really know if they're any different than these, but these have 12 instead of 6. I think these are cool because they have red, white, and blue, and I love red, white, and blue. My sister also has some fireworks, but those are going to not be in this video because they're not mine, so. And getting onto the big canister shells, which I picked these out because people say they're really rare, and I saw these, so I had to pick up some Echo in the Ears by Linda. Okay, moving on to our 500 gram cakes, but before that, we have these rockets, like this rocket assortment. So down here, we have some number 2 rockets, just a ton of like 8-ounce rockets, which are just like small little explosions. These, which are big explosions. Heavy rockets by Legend, which are also more big ones. They have Texas Pop rockets. And some more tiny rockets. Okay, now moving on to our big finales. We have Buzzard's Roost on this side, on my right, your guys' left, and on this side we have Honey Badger Don't Care, which is huge, and is our other finale. So, I don't know, what I think we got a lot. Well, that's our fireworks stash of 2018. Bye!